In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Calendar with Jotform to streamline your scheduling process. This integration can be a game changer for managing your appointments and events effectively, especially if you're juggling multiple tasks and need everything to be in sync. So let's dive right in. First off, log into your Jotform account. If you don't have one yet, simply go to jotform.com and sign up. Once you've logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of all your forms. Select the form that you want to integrate with Google Calendar, and then click on Edit Form. This will open up the form editor where you can make all sorts of customizations to your form. Now, at the top of the editor, you'll see Apply Settings tab. Click on it, and then proceed to click on Integrations. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find a myriad of third-party integrations available here. But for today, our focus is on Google Calendar. In the integration search bar, type Google Calendar to quickly locate it. Once it pops up, click on it to proceed with the integration. You'll see an Authenticate button, which you need to click to connect your Google account with Jotform. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account if you aren't already. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and give Jotform the necessary permissions to access your calendar. Rest assured, this is perfectly safe and secure as Jotform only accesses calendar data that you allow. Once authenticated, it's time to configure how your form submissions translate into calendar events. You'll want to choose which of your calendars, especially if you have multiple calendars for different purposes, will receive these event details. Now let's map the form fields to Google Calendar event fields. This is crucial for ensuring that every piece of information gets transferred correctly. Start with the event title. You can map this to whatever makes sense for your event, maybe the name, a service offered, or any custom field you've set up. Next, define the start and end time. This is typically mapped to an appointment field or specific date/time fields in your form. Moving on to the tua description field, which can be mapped to less structured fields like notes or even an email field, so attendees know more about the appointment. Lastly, don't forget about the what location. This is optional but helpful if you need to specify a physical address or a Zoom link for virtual meetings. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar should now be seamlessly integrated with Jotform, automatically updating as new form submissions come in. This setup can help you keep track of your commitments more effectively, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to supercharge your productivity.